Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shalini and I'm from Bihar, and as you know, I help you to speak English fluently without any hesitation. So join me in this journey and let's learn together and grow together. So it is going to be a very great and beautiful journey. Okay, so guys, sorry for the lighting issue. Actually, it is around 5 o'clock and I have to record this video because I am practicing English by uploading videos on YouTube on daily basis. Okay, so today I was actually a little bit busy, so it is getting late, but actually I have to record video. So whatever time it is, I am passionate about my English learning, so that's why I have to record. And yeah, whatever time it is, I have to just record. That's why I am recording right now. So yeah, and I want you to motivate you, don't give up. And whatever time it is, no matter the environment, no matter the medium, you if you want to learn, then you have to do it like me. Okay, well, I am so glad you found this video. So yeah, if you are watching this, it means you are serious about improving your English, and that is really awesome. Okay, I really appreciate you because you are just not learning, you are so passionate about learning. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and it shows that you are serious about learning. Okay, so if you clicked on this video, it means you are looking for a video that is gonna take your English skills to the next level, right? That's why you clicked on this video, right? So yeah, definitely this one is for passionate learners out there who clicked on this video right now. So yeah, you are the one who is willing to put in the effort to master the language, right? So if you found this video, just don't watch this. Take notes out of this video, practice what you learn, and most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Okay? Because if you make mistakes, that is where the real learning happens. So, and if you need help, I am here, and lots of videos out there on YouTube. Okay, so don't be afraid. So yeah, you are the passionate learners, right? Because you are the type of person who is always looking for ways to improve, who loves reading, writing, speaking, and listening to English. Okay, and yeah, this video is definitely for you because you clicked on this video. So let's talk about this. Actually, in this video I will give you some tips because you are a passionate learner. So yeah, definitely you will learn something from this video. And actually I am also a beginner, so actually I am practicing my English. So sorry if I make mistake, but I also say that we will learn together. Okay, so let's come to the topic. I have few tips for you. Okay, number one is you have to practice speaking with native speakers. Okay, you just have to practice, even it is just for a few minutes a day. You have to practice speaking because speaking is one of the best ways to improve your English. And don't worry, if you don't have native speakers, you can speak to yourself. And number two is you have to focus on pronunciation. Okay, you can listen to how native speakers pronounce words and try to mimic them. Okay, you have to try to mimic them. And another tip is don't translate everything, okay, word for word. Instead, you have to try to understand the meaning and context of what you are reading or listening. Another tip is be patient with yourself, okay, because learning a language takes time and it is okay to make mistakes. Okay, and most important thing, don't forget to have fun in this process. Don't get bored. Okay, so how you will get fun? So if you are watching videos and reading as things, a story as per your interest, then in this way you will definitely have fun. Okay, so make it a fun learning. So I always say, I always say learning a language should be enjoyable, not a burden. So find ways to make it fun. Okay, so you can read English books You can read storybooks, children's storybooks, so anything which is as per your interest. Okay. And one more thing is stay consistent, because consistency is key. And you have to make English a part of your daily routine, even if it just for a few minutes. You have to make it, and trust me, it will make a huge difference in the long run. You will definitely see the progress, because I'm working on the same way, and I am improving day by day. Okay, so just work on it. So yeah, you are a passionate learner. You are one of those people who wake up in the middle of the night and you just think about English grammar rules, or maybe you are the type of person, because you are a passionate learner. That's why I am assuming uh, you can get super excited about learning new vocabulary words, right? If that is you, you are definitely a serious learner, passionate learner like me. So yeah, passionate English learners are the best. They are cool. They are the one who don't just stop at good enough. They want to be fluent, they want to be confident, and they want to master the language. They just don't want to learn, they want to be perfect. So if you are the passionate learner, it means you are the people who don't just study English, you live English. You watch English movie, listen music, and even think in English, right? You are the one who join online communities. Okay, I will not say more, but yeah, you are a passionate learner. That's why you clicked on this video. That's why you are here. Okay, so thank you so much. And yeah, because you know why I'm talking about this, because I want to motivate you. Because when you are passionate about something, you put in the effort, and that is when the magic happens, right? So if you are the one of these passionate learners, I will say keep going, guys, keep going. You are on the right track. You will definitely crack it. You will definitely speak English fluently in 2026. Okay, so, and that is what makes you special. And yeah, you are not just learning English, you are developing a skill that can open doors to new cultures, new friendships, and new opportunities, right? So yeah, you are the passionate learners. You are always looking for ways to improve, always seeking feedback, and always willing to learn from their mistakes. And I know you are always want to learn something new. You don't give up even when things get tough. That's why you are a passionate learner, right? So yeah, guys, I will say learning a language is a journey, so not a destination. It is not a destination. It is okay to make mistakes, it is okay to struggle, and it is okay to take time. Important thing is that you are moving forward one step at a time. This is the most important thing. So guys, in the end, I will say, if you are still watching, it means you are one of the passionate English learners we are talking about in this video. Okay, so you are the one who are willing to put in the effort, who are eager to learn, and who are determined to master the language. You want to go to the next level, right? So in the end, I will say, I want you to give a message. Just don't give up. You are doing great, and you are getting closer to your goal with every step. Just keep practicing, keep speaking, keep learning, keep pushing yourself. Okay, and just be consistent. And you are not alone. We all are here with you, and we are rooting for you all the way. So yeah, let's crack this, and let's master English together. So yeah, you are a passionate learner like me, and we will definitely crack this together. So sorry guys, actually it was getting dark, so but I have to record this video anyway, because actually lots of mosquitoes around me, they are biting me, but still I have to record this video for you, for me. So yeah, let's end this video right now. And please guys, support me, subscribe to my channel, and just just enjoy our learning. Okay, thank you so much guys, and I will see you in the next day. And uh, right now I'm going to uh, what I can say, sorry, I'm still struggling to speak English. I want to say something, but I forgot. I am not just words are not coming on my head right now. So just end this video right now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.